Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I hope that you're all doing well. Now today in this video, I'm going to share my review as well as my honest feedback about a skincare product which has been so much raved about and has been in so much hype that yes, I do now believe that why it is in so much hype, because I have literally fallen in love with that particular product. So if you guys want to know that what is that particular skincare all about and what are the benefits it actually gives to our skin, so then please continue watching, and without much further ado, let's start with the video. By the title of this video, you know I'm talking about which particular skincare, and yes, it's none other than Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I bought mine from Sephora. Now I remember that last year, I think in the end of the year, that is in November or December, I bought the Estée Lauder holiday collection, and there in that particular box was this particular serum, and it was in a very tiny bottle. So I used it at that point of time, but then I was not using it regularly. So it was very difficult for me to understand that whether this is really working on my skin or not. But then I know that I have an extremely sensitive and allergy prone skin. When I used this particular serum, I noticed that it didn't break me out. It didn't cause any kind of reaction on my face or any kind of allergies. So at that point of time, it was there in my mind that I really need to try this serum, because somehow or the other I already started liking it, and I really need to know that whether this is showing any kind of good results on my skin texture or not. So that's the reason one day I went to Sephora. I asked a lady there, and she told me the details about this particular product, and I knew one thing, that since this particular product didn't break me out, so why not I try this? Until and unless I try this, I use this regularly, I will not be able to understand that whether this is really working on my skin or not. So yes, this is really a pricey product. I bought this one fluid OZ, which is 30 ml bottle, and this cost me $63. Yes, it's absolutely a very pricey product. That's the reason I was thinking before buying this, but then I knew that since this has suited my skin so well, so why not I try this? I use it on my skin regularly to see any kind of difference in my skin texture or not. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this brown glass bottle, as you can see, and this also has a dropper like any other serum. You can see that it has a thick consistency. It doesn't have a runny consistency. Now this is also being used as any other serums, like after your cleaning and after using your toner, you use the serum and then you apply the moisturizer. You can use this serum both in day and night, but I particularly use this during my night time, since it's already been written that it's a night repair serum, so I always try to use it at night. I bought this in the month of April. And yes, I've been using it for the past 2.5 months, because before giving my honest feedback about it, I really wanted to use it thoroughly, and then I share my own views about it, so that I can do it correctly and I can share what I really do feel about it and what kind of changes it has brought in my skin texture. Now, I have an extremely dry, sensitive skin. So talking about the skin texture, that what kind of skin you have, whether it's an oily or a combination or dry. Now, this particular serum is suitable for all skin types, whether you have an oily skin tone or whether you have extremely dry, flaky skin, or whether you have a combo. This particular serum suits every skin type. Now I'm telling you this with confidence that this particular product suits all skin types, because there has been quite a number of friends of mine who have used this particular product who has different skin texture, like oily, like combination skin, and this product has suited them so well. Since I have an extremely dry skin and this product has suited me well, so I can tell you that yes, those who are with dry skin texture, they can definitely use this one. Who have oily skin or combination skin, I have seen by my own eyes that this product has really benefited them as well. So that's the reason I am telling you that yes, if you want to, you can go ahead and try this product. This particular product also helps from different types of skin problems like blemishes, like acne, pimples, any kind of inflammation on the face, any kind of redness, or any kind of patch marks. So this really helps big time. Now, this particular product claims that it has anti-wrinkle property. Yes, it has, because if you keep your skin hydrated, your skin automatically will look very young. You will not feel that you are looking old, or the kind of wrinkles are appearing or the fine lines are appearing on your skin. So this is really very important to take care of your skin, and if you want to take care of your skin seriously, do try this product. Now, this is an oil-free, light and non-sticky product. You guys know that hyaluronic acid is so important for our skin because it really helps to maintain the moisture level of our skin. Now, this particular product has 4 different types of hyaluronic acid, and so it penetrates into the deeper layers of our skin. Now, I don't have any kind of skin problem as such, but yes, at times I do develop a kind of uneven skin texture due to some hormonal changes. And yes, when I started using this product, I have noticed that using this regularly at night, this has really helped me to brighten my face. My face started looking quite radiant after using this. Now, this has become my best friend because I think I use it all the time now. I use it now in the morning, I use it at night, and yes, at times I use it with my foundation because this really sets my foundation so well onto my skin. As I've mentioned that I have a dry skin, so after using this serum, I really skip my moisturizer at times because I don't feel the need of it. It really makes my skin feel so hydrated and so glowing that I don't feel like applying moisturizer. But then that doesn't mean that it makes your skin look oily or sticky, or like yes, something you have applied on your face which is making feel like you have applied some kind of cream or something like that. No, it doesn't feel like that. It's absolutely lightweight, as I told you before, and this is such a great formula. This is such a magical formula. Once you apply this on your face, you will understand and you will notice the difference in your skin regularly using this product. I always believe one thing, that nothing like having a healthy skin. So it's very important for all of us to take care of our skin from a very early age, because a healthy skin gives a really healthy look. No matter whichever brand of makeup you use, if you have got a healthy skin, your makeup will look absolutely flawless. So I will highly recommend this to everybody, that yes, do give this a try. If you don't want to purchase this bottle, if you want to go ahead with the tiny small bottle, you can really go ahead with that one to see that whether that particular product is actually working on your face and not. And if it's working, if you're finding it good, go ahead and buy this. Really a fab product. So this was all in today's video, and I hope that this video was useful to all of you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have liked today's video, then please do give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you take care, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.